dew on these looks incredible this morning.
Yeah, we should focus on the lower branches first.
These look perfect. We can start picking here.
All right, I'll get the ladder ready. These are perfect for the first batch of jam. Careful with that basket, it is very full. Yeah, we are almost done with this row.
Verify the documentation against the crates, please.
Everything matches the quality records, manager.
Perfect. Sign here and we can release the shipment.
Gates opening now. Pull forward to the first loading dock.
Here are the shipment records and the temperature logs. Everything seems to be in order. We'll start unloading. Large washing tanks fill with fresh water as apricots enter. Powerful jets spray the fruit from multiple directions. Dirt, leaves, and debris are removed instantly.
These apricots look excellent, very uniform.
The new washing cycle is definitely an improvement.
Advanced optical sorting machines scan every apricot individually. The data stream is consistent with the projected yield. Yes, the sensors confirm optimal temperature and flow. We are ready for the next phase. Sample collected from tank 3. Consistency and color look good. Preparing for analysis now.
Check the temperature gauge on the steam jacket. It needs to reach 80 degrees before we seal it. Yes, manager, noted. The puree flow is steady.
We are at the precise bricks level.
Confirmed. We carefully evaluate the viscosity and sugar concentration. Precision testing ensures that every batch meets our strict quality standards.
Check the temperature log on tank 4. 8 to 5.2 Celsius, within tolerance.
The alignment is perfect on the west line. Sterilization is stable. Confirmed. Logging the batch parameters now.
Check the flow rate on the tablet.
It's exactly where it should be. The jam looks perfect.
The rejection rate spiked here at 1400 hours. Yeah. That correlates with the sensor calibration update. We need to check the batch integrity.
Temperature reduction is stable across all rows. Perfect. The glass stress levels are nominal. We can maintain this speed.
The cooled jars move onto a wide conveyor where moisture is removed. High-powered air blowers dry each container.
Keep an eye on the barcode reader. We just had a brief error. It corrected itself immediately. We are clear for final gate.
We need to prioritize the Asian markets shipment.
Okay, I'm confirming the routes now. Reroute the Asia shipment to staging area 3.
Confirmed. The automated vehicles are updating now.
Okay, slowly to the right. Watch the clearance on level 7. Copy that. Locked in.
Electronic orders flow in globally. Our team carefully reviews shipment requirements as the system generate picking instructions, allocating large...
Forklifts retrieve pallets from storage racks. Workers scan products to verify accuracy. Conveyor systems move inventory, accelerating shipment preparation.
Is the wholesale order ready for inspection?
Yes, it is. All wrapped and labeled according to the schedule.
Keep it coming back slowly. Watch the angle. All right, she's set. Clear the dock.
Strap secure on the left side. Weight distribution looks good.
Confirmed. All restraints checked and logged. This is the manifest for the central route. Remember to check the temperature logs hourly. Got it. Thanks. I'll see you when I get back.
All pallets accounted for. Customs cleared.
Straps are secure. Ready for seal.
We need to prioritize the perishable goods on the next vessel out.
The apricot jam shipment is already routed for the 0800 slot.
Ocean cargo vessels depart the harbor carrying containers filled with packaged apricot jam. Aerial footage shows the ship moving.
Look, the apricot jam we wanted. Perfect, let's make some toast.
Perfect timing. Are you going to have some?
Absolutely, Si.
Absolutely. It smells wonderful.
There we go, freshly opened.
Oh, that smells wonderful. Pass the bread, please. The aroma of sweet apricot seems almost tangible. Every stage of production contributed to this moment. Consumer satisfaction takes center stage.
Look at how glossy that is.
I'm glad.
It's beautiful. You should have the first bite.